Okay, this is the static page that I have, which already has the social profile working. And this is how it currently is, just a token. So we're going to have this data end up being added to the bottom so it looks like this right here. Let's get going. Alright, this is the SQL that makes this right here. So I'm going to start with that. I'm going to copy that to the bottom of the card.php. So I'm just going to go to the bottom. Social links. Now we built the social links in the user edit page in a previous build in public if you did not see it. Here we go. So we're going to now I have a sloop, which is one of my snippets in Atom. I'm using Atom. I love it. You should have macros or snippets to make your coding easier by doing the base coding that you need. Alright, so this is going to take the SQL, and now we should make sure that this SQL filter is already in existence. And looky there, yes it is. I'm using PDO, so it's exchanging this user UID with the global ID. And we'll reuse that down here. It's going to loop through, and I told it to go by priority, so it puts it in the user's priority, and we're going to add that feature real soon. So let's see, we don't need the UID. We do want the button. We're going to want to enhance this though. There it's showing the button color, and here it's showing the icon, which by the way, if we go in here in the back office, I set this up. I created these pages, and here you can see there's the website name, there's the button color, and there's the icon. We're using font awesome. So let's change this to be target equals blank. href equals, and then we're going to change this to that, and then there's already closing off that double quote, and here's going to show the icon. So we get rid of that, and the final. Alright, now we end up with a button. So I go like this, say button. Now down here I grab the code from my working static page, so I'm going to want to reproduce this. Alright, first we're going to start with that. See, we already got the target blank, we got this, we got this, we got that. So all we really need, let's see, actually looks good. Alright, so social buttons equals blank. Then we'll just pin that. Okay, this might be really easy, so let's try this. And then we're going to say replace. Alright, I'm going to replace that. Let's see what happens. Wow, look at that. It's already done. Okay, now let's add the optional header. We see down here I originally had this. That's kind of nice. So we're going to put that up here. If that's not empty, then equals boom, boom, boom. All right, done. And already, if it is empty, it's going to replace this with blank, which is what we want. So now we can delete this. Oh, I see that I also had one of these at the end. So let's copy that in. There. Now let's try it again. Nice. That looks great. Little space there, little space here. And when we, you know what, I'm going to put a little BR here. We might need to take that out after we put in the website logic, but there we go. Okay, good. Subscribe for more on the business of programming.